$50 for one click, $100 for 2 clicks, $150 in 3 clicks. This new and free tool will allow you to generate money with just one click of a button, as demonstrated by this person's earnings from this free and new website. You can also see that this individual made a lot of money utilizing this website, and there are a lot of them right here. And if you're asking if you need experience for this, the answer is no. Is it necessary for you to have your own website? No. Do you need to show your face? No. It is actually so simple, and I will thoroughly explain everything to you. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so this is going to be that free website that I want to share with you where you can make money with just one click of a button, and you can do it indefinitely. Let's get to step 1, okay? For step 1, I'd like you to go to RenderForest, which is located at renderforest.com. This is a completely free internet application that will allow you to make various mock-ups with only one click of a button, and that one click can turn into $50, $100, $150, and so on and so forth. But you will only be able to see how if you follow all of the steps in this video. If you just skip this part or any part of the video, you will most likely not be able to set it up. So the first thing you will need to do before you start making money is sign up for free at RenderForest. They do have some pricing plans, but you don't have to use them. You can definitely start for free without investing any money up front. Right now, if you go over to the pricing plans right here, you'll see that their free plan is $0, but you also have different plans that go up to $50 a month. But as I said, you won't have to pay for that right now. So what you'll need to do is sign up for absolutely free, and once you've signed up for absolutely free, I want you to click on Edit Mockup right here, because they have to make logos, create videos, build websites, and so on. However, I want you to go to this page and click on Edit Mockup, which will lead you to a page where you may change the greatest mockups online with just one click of a button and add different logos to different spots. You can have realistic looking mockups, so if you click on this one right here, for example, that's the first template that we can use for free. You'll notice that we can add different logos to different places with one click of a button. So, let's say I want to edit this mockup. I'll open it up, upload an example logo, wait until the logo uploads, and this is what it'll look like once it loads. Now I have my logo as a markup right here, and I can do the same thing with all of these different templates and all of these different design mockups on the right hand side. It only takes one click of a button, and you can download it to your computer to earn over $50. Now let me show you another example. If you go back to the RenderForest homepage, we go to Edit Mockups, and then we can select different mockups. Let's say you want to put something on clothing. You want to put something on clothes right here, so we can select those designs as well. Let's assume I want to put my own logo on different t-shirts and cups. I'll need to click on that and open up the template, wait until it loads, then I can upload my own image right here. Wait until it loads, and that was only one click of a button. Now you can download it and start making money. But how do you make money by adding these different designs and creating these mockups with only one click of a button? Each of these mockups you create with only one click of a button can make you $50, $100, or $150. And how are these folks making tens of thousands of dollars at the beginning of this video from the intro? Well, that's going to be the next stage in getting money. If you guys are liking this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Returning to the video, there are a few other ways to make money from those mockups that are made with just one click. One of which is to go to this freelancing website where individuals are willing to pay hundreds of dollars for each of those mockups. For example, this guy is willing to pay this amount for a mock-up design, and these guys are bidding for this amount of money, and it's probably going to go up, and so on and so forth. There are over 500 jobs created when you search on this website for mock-up design, and this is over at freelancer.com. So you can go to freelancer.com and sign up as a freelancer. So select I want to work from the menu above. Create an absolutely free account in probably 2 to 5 minutes. Then start looking for mock-up design jobs. Apply for those jobs, and when people hire you, they pay you. And all you have to do now is go back to Render Forest, enter their logo, and click once to download the image, and that's it. It's that easy, and it's only one click of a button. Upwork.com is the next freelancing website where you may sell those mock-up designs that you created with just one click of a button. Upwork is very similar to freelancer.com, so you can go there and see how many people from all around the world have already made a lot of money using this service. As you can see, this individual has made this amount of money. And then you have another person right here from this nation who has made thousands of dollars from this website. And then this man has also made a substantial amount of money, and so on. So, this definitely works. And there are a lot of different freelancing websites here that we can provide this service to. And it only takes one click of a button. So why not try it? You can sign up to many different freelancing websites, including Freelancer, Upwork, but you can also try it out on Fiverr, peopleperhour.com, and so on. You can offer this design and sell it as a service on a variety of platforms, and the sign-up procedure is really simple. You may repeat the processes in this video over and over again to earn the greatest money online. To summarize, go to renderforest.com and start producing your mock-up design using their free templates. Then go to a freelancing website of your choosing. Establish an account, create a gig, and then sit back and wait for customers and clients to notice your services. Once again, you have a job. Simply return to renderforest.com and build your design. Then, with just one click of a button, you may begin earning from those designs. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to like it and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. And that's all for now. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next videos.